Hey guys, this is me Apon from websiteask.com. So today in this video we're gonna talk about how to structure WordPress link and permalink. So if you're new here in this channel, please consider subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload weekly basis YouTube video about WordPress tips and blogging and many more things in this channel. So please consider subscribe. So what is permalink? So permalink is a permanent link of your website. So let's say you have a website link www.yourwebsite.com and slash, when you put a slash after the website or your domain name, you have a link of your website. Let's say you create a about us page about your website. Okay, so let's say your URL is like www.yourwebsite.com slash your about us. Okay, that's the link structure. Basically in WordPress and SEO language, this is called permalink. So permalink is so important for SEO. You have to choose a SEO friendly permalink for your WordPress website or anything else you need to do from your website. So this is so important for SEO because this contain the title and your website content address, because this address contain your all the content you put on this address. Let's say your about us page contain your about details, so Google will scroll and the robot of the Google is uh, you know it scroll or recognize it because of the URL. So now I will show you on my website and how do I change the permalink structure in my WordPress. So I'm going to my WordPress website here. So I already opened my WordPress website and you can see my dashboard here, all the settings and control I have. So you need to go to the setting option and click the permalink. So it's redirect you a permalink page called permalink setting page. So you can see a short details about this permalink page. So WordPress offer you to ability to create a custom URL structure for your permalink and archives. A custom URL structure can improve the aesthetic, usability and forward compatibility of your links. So here are the example of the permalink. So in the comment section below you can say plain. Here is the permalink structure and you can say the day and name. It's contain the day and the year and the date also, and your post name. And the third option is localhost, and these are the permalink structure. So which permalink structure is best for blog and affiliate marketers? So I would say the post name. Okay, this permalink structure is so SEO friendly and you should apply this on your blog or website if you have already. So if you have a news website, you need to click this two, month and day. These two are important because that contain the date and the year and the month, all contained in this URL, and the post name also. But if you have a blog or affiliate website, you need to click the post name and hit the save below. Okay, but you can change your permalink and customize it your recommended thing. So you can say, let's say you want to just want to use your post name and the hour. So here is the custom structure section. You can see your website and the post name. Okay, but you can set it to month and hours or seconds or by author or by category. You can say set it for a different way. Okay, but I would say that you have a simple blog or affiliate marketing website. You need to click this and hit the save. That's it. That is set. And for this website, now I'm going to my front end of my website. So here is the front end of my website, you can see. So I have created some pages for my website. Here is the FAQ page, the contact us page, and the privacy policy page. So let's I click this page, and you can see the link structures change. Okay, so this is a privacy policy page, and it contains the privacy policy URL also. So these are the permalink. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want more video like this, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new WordPress tutorial videos. And in the next video, I will upload a new WordPress tutorial video in this channel. So hit the subscribe button to get notified. Thanks once again.